How to become a licensed aircraft mechanic. If you enjoy working with your hands, solving technical problems, and taking responsibility for safety, becoming a licensed aircraft mechanic could be one of the most rewarding careers in aviation. In this video, I will explain what aircraft mechanics actually do, how much they earn, the training and certification process, and what your career path can look like once you are licensed. Overview. An aircraft mechanic, also known as an aircraft maintenance technician or AMT, is responsible for inspecting, maintaining, repairing and certifying aircraft as safe to fly. Every aircraft that takes off must be declared airworthy. That responsibility often rests with licensed mechanics. You are not simply fixing machines. You are protecting passengers, pilots and crew. To work independently in the United States, you must hold an FAA airframe and power plant license, commonly called an A&P license. Daily responsibilities. So what does the job actually involve? On a typical day, you might perform scheduled inspections, diagnose mechanical or electrical faults, replace worn components, repair structural damage, inspect engines and landing gear, complete legally required maintenance paperwork. You may work in a hangar, on the flight line, or inside a specialized maintenance facility. Some roles focus on routine line maintenance at airports. Others involve heavy maintenance inspections, where aircraft are stripped down for detailed examination. Attention to detail is critical. Even a small overlooked issue can have serious consequences. Salary overview. Let's talk about earnings. Entry-level licensed aircraft mechanics in the United States typically earn between $50,000 and $65,000 per year. With several years of experience, mid-career mechanics often earn between $70,000 and $90,000. Senior mechanics, inspectors, or those with type ratings on large commercial aircraft can earn well over $100,000 annually, especially with overtime. Pay varies depending on location, employer, and whether you work for a major airline, a repair station, cargo operator, or general aviation company. Overtime is common in this industry and can significantly increase annual income. Qualifications required. To become licensed, you need to complete 3 key stages. First, you must gain the required experience. Most people attend an FAA-approved aviation maintenance technician school. These programs usually take 18 to 24 months full-time. Alternatively, you can qualify through documented on-the-job experience, but this route often takes longer. Second, you must pass the FAA written knowledge exams. Third, you must pass the oral and practical tests with a designated mechanic examiner. These tests assess both your technical knowledge and your hands-on skills. Once you pass all 3 sections, you receive your airframe and power plant license. Career path. Once licensed, your career options are broad. You could work for commercial airlines, cargo operators, corporate aviation departments, maintenance repair and overhaul facilities, general aviation workshops, aircraft manufacturers, government or military contractors. With experience, you can progress to lead mechanic, inspector, maintenance supervisor, quality control. Specialist roles in avionics, engines or structures. Many mechanics later pursue type ratings on specific aircraft, which increases earning potential. Pros and cons. Let's be realistic. Pros: strong job demand, good earning potential, clear progression path, hands-on technical work, direct impact on safety. Cons: shift work including nights, physically demanding tasks, high responsibility, exposure to noise and weather on the flight line, continuous regulatory compliance. This career suits people who are disciplined, practical and comfortable working with procedures and checklists. Becoming a licensed aircraft mechanic is not just about passing exams. It is about developing technical competence, discipline, and professional responsibility. If you would like a full step-by-step breakdown of the certification process, exam preparation, and job search strategy. You can find the complete guide at aviationcareerguides.com. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more aviation career breakdowns